AI Breeders Insemination Services, presented by Jeremy Matias, IBJ Kaliwag, James Cortez, from BSA Animal Science 4F. AI Breeders is a business offering artificial insemination services for swine, aimed at improving breeding programs, enhancing genetic quality, and boosting productivity in pig herds. Mission and vision and value proposition. The company vision is to be leading AI services provider. Its mission focuses on delivering high-quality services through advanced technology and expert knowledge. The value proposition includes personalized service, trained staff, and cutting-edge technology to ensure successful insemination. Goals and objectives. Goals include increasing AI adoption, improving herd genetics, and contributing to the sustainable growth of the swine industry. AI Breeders seeks to establish a strong reputation and expand its market reach, target various swine farming segments, and building partnership within the industry. Problem statement. AI Breeders aims to address several key problems in the swine farming industry. One is limited access to quality genetics. Small farmers often struggle to access high quality breeding stock and semen, impacting herd productivity. Inefficiencies or traditional breeding methods. Traditional methods are time-consuming, labor-intensive, and less controlled, leading to lower success rates. Challenges in herd management. Farmers face difficulties in optimizing breeder cycles, managing disease, and ensuring animal health. And solution is product service description. AI Breeders offers artificial insemination services for swine, aimed at improving breeding program, enhancing genetic quality, and increasing herd productivity, which is essential for the agricultural sector. Unique selling proposition. Expert technician, ensuring accurate insemination for high success rates. Personalized approach, tailoring services to each farmer needs. Latest technology, using advanced tech to keep semen fresh and maximize breeding success. How the solution solves the problem. Improve genetics, increase productivity, disease prevention, and cost effectiveness.
Market analysis. Industry overview and trend. The demand for pork is rising due to growing global population, driving the need for efficient and sustainable swine production. The swine industry is embracing advanced technologies like artificial insemination to improve breeding, genetic quality, and productivity. AI supports animal health by reducing risks linked to natural breeding, promotes sustainability, and enhances profitability. AI services also contribute to the growth of rural economies by empowering farmers to produce better quality livestock. Target market and customer demographics. AI Breeders target various segments of the swine farming market. Commercial pig farmers, large-scale operations aiming for high production. Small-scale farmers focus on quality and sustainability. Breeding farms specialize in breeding pigs for sale. Hobby farmers raising pigs for personal or local markets. Competitor analysis and market positioning. Competitors. Local AI providers, large agricultural companies, and breeding organizations. Competitive advantages. AI Breeders stands out with personalized service, trained staff, advanced technology, and a focus on quality. Market positioning. AI Breeders aims to be a trusted partner offering high-quality, tailored AI services to enhance herd performance and profitability, differentiating in itself through customer satisfaction and expertise. Business model. Revenue streams. Artificial insemination services, charging farmers per successful insemination. Semen processing and storage fees, charging for the processing and storage of semen to maintain its quality. Consultation services, offering expert advice on breeding plans, herd management, and reproductive health. Pricing strategy, AI services, nagre-range po siya ng 7.5 per insemination. Ang semen processing naman po is 2.5 per collection. Consultation po ay nagre-range naman po siya ng 3.5 per session. Sales channels and contribution plan. Direct sales, face-to-face interactions with farmers for personalized service. Online sales, a website for service, booking and consultations. Partnership, collaboration with agricultural suppliers and veterinarians to expand reach. Marketing and sales strategy. Key, marketing tactics, social media marketing, leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to engage and educate potential customers. SEO, optimize the website within relevant keywords to attract organic traffic. Partnership. Key, marketing tactics, social media marketing, leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to engage and educate potential customers. SEO, optimize the website within relevant keywords to attract organic traffic. Partnerships, collaboration with local suppliers, veterinarians, and breeders for cross-promotion. Local advertising, use community board papers and agricultural publications to reach farmers. Trade shows, fairs, participate in local events to showcase services and network. Customer acquisition and retention strategies. AI breeders, a startup offering artificial insemination services to swine, can attract customers through targeted marketing, relationship building, partnerships, and value-added services like genetic testing and training. To retain customers, the company should focus on delivering high-quality, reliable services, provide ongoing support, gather feedback for continuous improvement, and implement loyalty programs. These strategies will help establish a strong reputation and foster customer loyalty in the competitive swine farming industry. Sales process, lead generation, captured potential customers through marketing. 2. Initial consultation, discuss customer needs and present services. Number 3 naman po is proposal and agreement, create and detailed service proposal. 4 naman po is service delivery, perform insemination with trained technicians. Number 5 po is follow up and support, offer ongoing support and gathered feedback.
Plans. Ang AI Breeders ay isang kumpanya na nagbibigay ng serbisyo sa artificial insemination para sa mga swine farmers na may layuning mapabuti ang kalidad ng pag-aanak at pamamahala ng mga baboy. Meron din po kami mga location at facility na matatagpuan sa Kalumpang San Miguel, Bulacan. Ang aming facility ay may opisina para sa operasyon at isang climate-controlled storage facility para sa mga semen. Key resources. Mayroon po kaming bihasang technician at mga espesyal na kagamitan para sa semen collection at storage. Mga suppliers, kinukuha namin ng dekalidad na semen mula sa mga local na pig breeders at nagbibigay ng mga produktong pangkalusugan mula sa agricultural supply companies, kasama ang veterinary services para sa mga kalusugan ng alaga nating hayop. strategy sa marketing nakatuon sa targeted outreach sa mga lokal na swine farmers gamit ang farm visits, libreng konsultations, at online presence, social media at website. Sumasali rin po kami sa mga agricultural expos para sa mas malawak na visibility. Layunin ng AI breeders na maghatid ng mataas na kalidad at maaasahang serbisyo sa breeding habang tinutulungan ng mga farmers na mapabuti ang kanilang produksyon. Umaasa po sila sa suporta ng komunidad sa kanilang misyon. Ang aming team ay si Jerwel M. Matias, Founder and Operation Manager, oversees daily operation, insemination processes, and service quality with expertise in animal science and livestock management. Ako naman si Ivy Joy B. Kaliwag, Marketing Manager, handles marketing, brand awareness, and outreach to farmers, leveraging her skills in communication and marketing. Si James T. Cortez naman ang Sales Representative, focuses on sales customer service and building relationship with farmers. Meron po tayong financial plan, revenue projection, year 1 to 3, expenses and profit margin, year 1 to 3, funding requirements, break-even analysis, risk mitigation, and call to action. Q&A. Why do you believe customers will choose you offering over others in the market? Pinipili po ng mga customer ang AI breeders dahil sa dedikasyon nito sa kalidad at kasanayan. Meron po kami mga sinasanay na teknisyan na eksperto sa artificial insemination at pamamahala ng hayop. Bukod dito, nagbibigay po kami ng personalized na konsultasyon upang matugunan ang mga tiyak na pangangailangan ng bawat kliyente. Nakikipagtulungan din po kami sa mga local na pig breeders at agricultural suppliers upang masigurong mataas ang kalidad ng semen at materyales na nagpapatibay sa tiwala ng aming mga customer. Realization. What is your team's takeaway in developing your business plan? Ang AI breeders ay may tatlong pangunahing natutunan sa pagbuo ng aming business plan. Una, natutunan namin ang kahalagahan ng market research upang maunawaan ang malaking pangangailangan para sa AI services. Pangalawa, napagtanto din namin ang halaga ng magandang relasyon sa mga supplier at kasosyo na nagpapahusay sa kalidad ng aming serbisyo. Pangatlo, nakilala namin ang kahalagahan ng solidong marketing strategy kabilang ang paggamit ng digital platforms at targeted outreach upang magkaroon ng mas malawak na abot sa mga potensyal na kliyente. Sa kabuuan, ang proseso ng pagbuo ng aming business plan ay nagbibigay sa kanila ng mahalagang kaalaman at kasanayan para sa tagumpay na AI breeders. Thank you for listening.